Item 1.
Call again at 12:30.
Item 2.
Call again at 12:30.
Item 3.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
My Lordship, the petitioner is
My lord,
arrested.
kindly see 8322, my lord, by 23 has been I think that has been disposed by this.
The coordinate bench.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, my Lordship, that is disposed of by my Lordship. That annexer, under annexer 3, I am filing, my Lordship.
Why two separate bill applications? They are differently situated.
No, my Lord, similarly situated, but there are 2 persons.
Two persons.
Yes, my
Okay.
Lordship.
What is the allegation against him?
My Lordship, allegation is the possession of 100 numbers of nitrogen tablets and 12 grams of brown sugar, my Lordship.
Yes, he's from outside.
Yes, my Lordship.
So this court cannot show indulgence when this interstate trans-border
My Lordship.
so
My Lordship, in this case, charge sheet
conduit of drugs. This court has to take note of that. So you have to advise accordingly your client what is to be done.
My Lordship, so far as the law is concerned, then my Lordship, I am ready to submit the solvent surety. And as so far as my submission is concerned, my Lordship, that I am belongs to outside, but my relatives are present in Odisha. That is in Hon'Ble.
Sir, that is not to be spoken in the court. That affidavit has to be filed.
Yes, my Lordship, I am
This
ready
is
to file the affidavit, my
There is a
Lordship.
process for a court.
My Lordship.
So whatever you want to, you bring it on record.
My Lordship. That I am also reflected in my petition that my natives are present in Odisha, my Lordship.
You file those affidavits
Yes.
by your natives with their solvency, everything.
My Lordship.
I'm not going to assist you every time, sir. Please appreciate that.
My Lordship.
If you want to make a sustainable prayer,
My
then
Lordship.
you have to be conscious of that.
My Lordship.
Yes, please. When do you want?
My Lordship, that my Lordship kindly allow me bail, and my Lordship, I am ready to file any kind of
My lord,
petition.
No. Don't put the horse before the cart. It has to be always horse has to be after the cart.
My Lordship, I am ready to fulfill all the conditions that are imposed by my Lordship.
I'm not going to impose any condition, sir. You have to show some kind of something to seek indulgence of the court.
I'm ready to file.
You are just stating so many things.
I'm ready
You
to
know
file
how to you have to understand there is a procedure and what you have to do.
Then my Lordship, I'm ready to file the affidavit regarding the surety of my relative, my Lordship.
The learned counsel for the Mr. Rakesh Kumar Das.
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Rakesh Kumar
as well as,
Das.
my lord, the criminal incidents, my lord.
Absolutely,
I don't have the city, my lord.
Absolutely. I don't understand why the court has to request and pursue. As if the court is the prosecutor or the court is the defendant or court is the petitioner. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that out of the same FIR, another BLAPL 8322 the bail has been granted by order dated 4/10/2023. The said order is at flag A. It is noticed that the bail order, the order in the said BLAPL refers to the specific summation by the learned counsel for the petitioner there that he is a local person, he shall not avoid the process of law, and there is no chance of absconding from the jurisdiction of the learned court. When the learned counsel for the petitioner in the present petition was asked regarding the said conditions, he submits that he shall obtain up-to-date instruction, and if so advised, shall file an affidavit on behalf of the relatives, local relatives of the petitioner, local sureties, for which he seeks further accommodation.
Yes.
As prayed for, list on.
As we told to my Lordship, as convenience to my Lordship,
Today is convenient, most convenient.
that my Lordship, that tomorrow my Lordship, I will ready to file the affidavit.
Then you have to verify
Then
the learned counsel. But if you fail, then if it is listed, I will not show further indulgence. I don't understand this practice. Every day the matter is listed, some new submission is made and it is adjourned. As if the court is at the mercy of the petitioner.
My
You see, you are wasting valuable time.
No, my lordship,
You see, repeated chances are not to be given. Please appreciate that.
then my lordship, kindly list this matter after.
Please understand. You are so young. You must
Yes.
develop these kind of abilities and. Yes.
List
The affidavit filed by the petitioner shall also indicate, on behalf of the petitioner, shall also indicate the past allegations of criminal activity, if any, against the petitioner at his local place or anywhere within the country. When do you want, sir?
my lordship.
There is no my lordship date in the calendar, sir. You have to.
Item 4,
May I please? Item
Yes.
4, permit to withdraw, my lord. Already committed by the trial court. Yesterday, one my junior friend was prefer withdraw.
You being senior, give the details of the details.
Sir, se already committed ହେଇକିରି ତାକୁ appeal ଟା High Court ଦ୍ୱାରା file ହେଇଯାଇଛି. ମୁଁ detail ଲେଖି ଦେଇଛି memo ରେ.
Please give that, sir.
My lord.
Your name, sir?
My name is Umakant Barik.
So Umakanta Barik for the petitioner. File ta diyantu, physical file ta kali asthibha bodhe. When the matter was taken up on 17/10/2023, Mr. Sisir Panigrahi, learned counsel for the petitioner, submitted that the petitioner has been acquitted from all the charges. Accordingly, the following order was passed. When did you file the appeal? Give the date. You have not mentioned the date.
Okay.
Today, when the matter is taken up, Mr. Umakanta Barik, who is the advocate on record, files a memo to the effect that the petitioner has been convicted by the Lord Second Additional Session Judge Raurkela in ST case number 130 of 2016, which is at variance of to the submission made by the Learned Counsel, who had appeared earlier on 17/10/2023. Mention the date, sir.
That appeal, which date appeal was filed?
Yes.
Yeah, ମୁଁ ତ file କରିନି, ଅଲଗା advocate file କରିନି. ମୁଁ check କର.
The Learned Counsel for the petitioner shall shall mention the date of filing of the appeal before this court. Just check it. Check the appeal. Representative advocate, stop. How could he say that he has been acquitted?
Acquitted, convicted.
Today you are saying.
Today. Yesterday, say wrongly submitted that acquitted.
Submitted by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner appearing today. That the submission on 17/10/2023 is not correct. Para be that as it may, in view of the disposal of the ST case, the present petition has been rendered infructuous and accordingly disposed of. Disposal of the ST case resulting in conviction of the petitioner. Memo dated 18/10/2023 is taken on record. Yes.
item 5,
Lord, we have also called for the status regarding the appearance on Mala
Yes.
after flouting the interim protection. We have not received any instruction. The Lords may keep it to after vacancy.
The status report, petitioner none. Mr. Standing Counsel for the State. pursuant to the earlier order passed by this court.
That opposite
Status report has been furnished by the third additional session judge Cuttack into bracket in charge on 17/10/2023, indicating that the NBW has not yet been executed and the case has been posted to 8/12/2023 for production of the accused. The learned standing counsel submits that he has also sought for instructions from the law enforcement agency regarding execution of the NBW. In view of the developments as noted above, list on 10/12/2020. Is it a Sunday, 10/12? Yes, it is a Sunday. On 11/12/2023. Up-to-date status report be obtained from the learned third additional session judge Cuttack into bracket in charge. The learned standing counsel shall also obtain up-to-date instructions. Yes, please.
Item 6.
Yes, please. We are still awaiting production. He has not yet been produced.
Not yet been produced.
No. That is the instruction dated 16/10.
For my instruction that he was apprehended in another case. Do I remanded
Yes.
to jail court? But why?
Earlier interim bail, again, he somehow surrendered. And the second interim bail, he had jumped. Her condition was violated. The pursuant to the earlier order passed by this court, this is item 6. Mr. Vishnu Prasad Pradhan for the petitioner. Pursuant to the earlier order passed by this court, the learned additional district and session judge Paralakhe Mundi, Gajapati, into bracket in charge, I/C, has intimated that. It has intimated by letter dated 16/10/2023 as quoted herein. On 1/9/2023, start typing from there, but on 1/9/2023, the accused has made default in his surrender up to has not been made. In view of the above instructions from the learned additional district and session judge, the matter is posted to 6/11/2023. The learned judge shall furnish a further up-to-date report by 2/11/2023. The learned standing counsel shall also obtain instruction regarding the execution of the NBW issued against the accused, petitioner, to secure his production. Yes.
Item 7.
Yes. Mr. You are for the informant.
Yes.
Yes.
My lord, on the behalf of Somnath Chattopadhyay, I adjourn this matter.
Your name, sir?
Sibaranjan Palai.
Mr. Sibaranjan Palai, on behalf of Somanath Satpathy for the petitioner. Mr. Standing Counsel for the State, Mr. B. Raut for the informant. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain instruction and file affidavit if so advised on behalf of the petitioner. As observed earlier, as paid for list on 7/11/2023 to grant another opportunity to the petitioner. Yes.
Item 8.
Item 8, my lord, on behalf of Mr. Chandan Samantrai, I am praying for an adjournment.
Your name, madam?
S.S. Soja.
Miss S.S. Soja on behalf of Chandan Samantrai for the petitioner. By order dated 6/10/2023, it was noted that earlier several occasions, that is earlier on several occasions, that is on 26/9/2023, 12/9/2023, 22/8/2023, 8/8/2023, 17/7/2023, 27/6/2023, 16/5/2023, adjournments were granted to the petitioner. Para. When the adjournments were granted, on 26/9/2023, it was observed by the coordinated bench that adjournment is granted as a last chance. As on, so count kar likhibe, as on so many occasions, time has been granted. Despite the order dated 26/9/2023, further time was granted on 6/10/2023, and the petitioner was directed to file affidavit indicating the past allegations of criminal allegations against him, and to serve the copy of the affidavit on the learned counsel for the state. Have you filed the affidavit?
Yes, my lord, that flag Q, your lordship may see.
Affidavit has been filed on behalf of the petitioner, which indicates that in the past there are
6 criminals.
criminal allegations against the petitioner on 6 occasions, starting with 2016. Into bracket 3 occasions, 2017 on 3 occasions,
Lord, 2016 is there.
yes, 2016, 3 occasions. The petitioner has been granted has been granted bail on certain occasions by the court. Stop, which indicates that the petitioner has misutilized the liberty granted by the court while granting bail. In view of the specific orders of this court, dated 26/9/2023 and 6/10/2023, clearly indicating that the petitioner is granted last opportunity of adjournment, and for the fact that the matter has been adjourned on so many occasions, this court is not inclined to grant any further adjournment. Yes, do you have to say anything on merit?
My lord, he is still in accommodation as per my.
The learned counsel for the learned proxy counsel submits that the learned counsel for the petitioner is in accommodation and she cannot submit anything on merits of the case. Para. His diary is there. The learned standing counsel opposes the prayer for bail referring to the materials contained in the case diary, particularly the past allegations of criminal allegations pending against the petitioner since 2016
And the nature of injury, my lord.
and the nature of injury suffered by the victim. Having heard the learned counsel for the learned proxy counsel for the on behalf of the learned counsel for the petitioner who seeks accommodation, who seeks adjournment, considering the submissions of the learned standing counsel and the materials contained in the case diary, furnished by the investigating agency, this court is not inclined to grant bail to the petitioner at this stage. Accordingly, the petition is dismissed at this stage. Yes, next.
Obrecht, my lord.
Subitem.
There are other two.
Same diary, same
Yes,
case
madam.
diary. We give the case diary.
In the first sub-item, my lord, the affidavits are filed on behalf of the accused persons stating the criminal incident, my lord.
Hmm.
Also, the number of criminal incidents, my lord, there is more, my lord, he has given
Your
less
Lordship, in
number
the
of criminal
sub-item
incidents.
2, the present petitioner has also been acquitted.
Sunil Swain.
Yes, Your Lordship. Out of
In how many cases he has been acquitted and how many cases are pending trial?
Your Lordship,
This you are arguing on merits.
no, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I was also seeking an accommodation only
Okay.
on the ground that Mr. U.R. Jena is suffering from a throat infection, Your Lordship.
Yes, that is taken care. Miss Binny Misra, on behalf of U.R. Jena for the petitioner, Mr. Standing Counsel for the state, the learned counsel for the learned proxy counsel submits that the petitioner, the learned counsel for the petitioner is having throat infection and the matter may be adjourned. In the connected petition, that is BL Appeal 4013 of 2023, a similar prayer was made for adjournment, stating the difficulty on part of the learned counsel, appearing counsel, which has been rejected. Accordingly, the present petition is also taken up. On 6/10/2023, this court had noted the earlier order dated 5/9/2023. Yeah, 17/8/2023. 17/8/2023. Granting last chance to the petitioner and adjourning the matter to 5/9/2023. Prior to 17/8/2023, the matter was adjourned on 3/8/2023. and 24/2023. On 24/2023, the state was directed to obtain up-to-date instructions regarding the injuries suffered by the victim in the alleged incident, his health condition, case diary, and the past allegations against the petitioner as far as allegations are concerned. Though it was clearly stated in the order indicated in the order dated 17/8/2023, on 5/9/2023, the matter was adjourned as per the statement of the learned counsel for the petitioner being unwell on account of asthma and bronchitis. On 6/10/2023, the learned counsel for the petitioner appeared, and it was clearly indicated in the said order that despite the grant of earlier last chance, kindly read the sentence again. On 6/10, learned counsel for the petitioner appeared and sought for adjournment. Last chance to the petitioner. This court is granting a further opportunity. Para. In view of the grant of last chance on 17/8/2023, subsequent accommodation on 5/9/2023, further chance on 6/10/2023 to the learned counsel for the petitioner, the prayer for adjournment sought for today is rejected and the matter is taken up on merit. Here against this particular person, how many?
Your Lordship, against this, in the comprehensive affidavit that has been filed, Your Lordship, what point?
However, the learned proxy counsel, after passing of the order rejecting the prayer for adjournment, advances arguments which are noted. The present petitioner has past allegations starting in the year, past allegations of criminal activity against him starting in the year 2017. This is Santosh Swain.
Sunil Swain, Your Lordship.
Sunil Swain. In 2014, Roman serial number 1 in the affidavit, give the details. Then serial number 2.
He has been acquitted.
Where he has been acquitted. Roman serial number 3, 4, 5, 6. In perusal of the said affidavit, it is indicated that the petitioner was granted bail by the learned SDJM by order dated 17/5/2014 in the pending case. That is Town PS case number 55 of 2014. In PS case number 232 of 2016, by order dated 2/11/2016, bail was granted by the learned Additional Sessions Judge Balangir. Similarly, in PS case number 339 of 2016, bail was granted by the learned Sessions Judge Balangir by order dated 24/11/2016. in BLAPL number 522 of 2016. This court granted anticipatory bail by order dated 16/8/2018 in ABL-APL number 9223 of 2018. By order dated 16/8/2018. And thereafter, by order dated 7/9/2018 in BL-APL number 267 of 2018, the Learned Session Judge granted bail in Balangir Town PS case number 213/2018. Para. On perusal of the above, a clear pattern emerges that the petitioner, having been granted bail on each of the occasions, is facing allegations of criminal activity against him. Para. The learned standing counsel, referring to the case diary as well as the materials contained and the past allegations of criminal activity, injury report of the victim, opposes prayer for bail. Para. Having heard the learned proxy counsel for the petitioner who is seeking adjournment, the learned standing counsel for the state, and considering the material on record, particularly in the case diary, and the past behavior of the petitioner, misutilizing the bail granted by this court and other courts, this court is not inclined to grant bail to the petitioner at this stage. Accordingly, the petition is dismissed at this stage.
May I make one submission?
Yes,
Your
please.
Lordship?
Yes, please.
Your Lordship, it may be noted that in the present case, Your Lordship, all the allegations against the present petitioner are very omnibus in nature, Your Lordship.
No, that is, I am not considering on merit. The learned proxy counsel, after disposal of the rejection of the bail petition, makes a further submission that the allegations against the petitioner are omnibus in nature. Therefore, he deserves indulgence of this court for grant of bail under section 439 of the CRPC. In considered opinion of this court, such submission is misplaced as far as consideration of grant of bail under section 439 of the CRPC is concerned. Yes.
And so far as the subitem number 3 is concerned, my lord, I do have a small prayer. My lord, in fact,
Subitem 3, who is appearing? Udit Ranjan or Satyajit Mahapatra?
Satyajit Mahapatra.
Udit Ranjan doesn't have power.
No, Your Lordship.
No, case has been transferred. Your Lordship.
You are Mr. Mohanty.
Mohanty.
Mr. Kaustubh Mohanty on behalf of Satyajit Mahapatra for the petitioner in BLAPL 3181 of 2023.
My lord, here if your lordship will see, the rejection order is dated 6th.
In the second matter, there are two petitioners.
Yes.
Second matter to a second petitioner Lekhantu. The prayer for bail of the petitioner number 2. Second matter. And the same order is to be repeated. But the affidavit, the cases have to be modified. That is affidavit at flag 2, A by 2. A1 is Sunil Swain, A2 is second petitioner. Yes. Then the third petition, third subitem.
My lord, in fact, if your lordship will see, next to
21
that is the order of rejection. I am not on merit of the case, your lordship. Only one thing I would like to point out.
Mr. Mohanty, Kaustubh Mohanty, proxy counsel appearing on behalf of Satyajit Mahapatra submits that he is not on the merit of the case. However, he wants to make certain submissions for consideration of this court. Yes.
My lord, if your lordship will see, my lord,
Yes.
annexure 2, The order of rejection passed by the learned court below was on dated 6/3/2023. my lord.
कौन लिख ले? Make certain submissions. It is submitted that in Annex 2, the copy of the rejection order
Passed by the learned court below is
passed by
dated,
the learned court below
6/3/2023, my lord.
is 6/3/2023
That means the petitioner had moved the learned court below prior to submission of charge sheet.
prior to submission of the charge sheet.
And in the meantime, on dated 17/5/2023, charge
In
sheet
the
has
17/5/2023, charge sheet has been submitted.
I may be permitted to renew my prayer afresh before the learned court
The
below in
learned
view of
counsel for
submission of charge sheet.
the petitioner seeks liberty to renew his prayer before the learned court in season of the matter. Since the connected matters arising out of the self-same FIR have been considered in merit pertaining to 4 petitioners, it would not be appropriate to send the matter for consideration by the learned court in season of the matter after this court having considered the petitions on merit and having passed orders as far as prayer for bail is concerned. The prayer made by the learned counsel, proxy counsel, is therefore not acceded to, and the petition is taken up on merit. As far as the merits of the case is concerned, as clearly stated by the learned counsel for the petitioner, he has no submissions to make. Proxy counsel, no submissions to make. Para. By order dated (6/10/2023), the counsel for the petitioner was granted further opportunity, directing the matter to be listed today. The matter was adjourned as a new set of counsels were engaged prior to that on 4/8/2023. The matter was adjourned at the instance of the learned counsel for the petitioner. Uh, 4/8, then insert comma, 25/7. On 24/2023, the learned counsel for the state was directed to obtain a case diary and up-to-date instructions. Para. The learned standing counsel refers to the allegations against the petitioner. Past allegations against the petitioner as far as criminal activity is concerned. The total number of allegations are 21. The alleged activities against the petitioner started in the year 2013, and the following cases have been registered against him. In GR case number 449 of 2013, the petitioner was convicted for offense under section 325 of the IPC and released on section 4 of the Probation of Offenders Act by judgment dated 1/8/2017 by the learned Assistant Session Judge Bolangir. The petitioner has been acquitted in GR case number 131 of 2014 by the Session Judge Bolangir by order dated 13/8/2018. The petitioner has been granted bail by order dated 12/7/2016, passed by the learned first ADJ, first additional session judge ASJ Balangir, in GR number 341 of 2016. The petitioner has been granted bail by order dated 12/7/2016, passed by the learned additional session judge Balangir, in GR case number 357 of 2016. The petitioner was granted bail by order dated 29/6/2016 in BL APL number 5103 of 2016, passed by this court, corresponding to GR case number 528 of 2016. The petitioner has been granted bail by this court by order dated 24/8/2018 in ABL APL number 1218 of 2017, corresponding to GR case number 56 of 2017. Similarly, this court has granted bail by order dated 28/8/2018 in ABL APL number 12879 of 2017. This is Roman 8, page 3 of the affidavit. This court has granted bail by order dated 31/8/2017 in ABL APL number 13182 of 2017, corresponding to GR case number 615 of 2017. By order dated 16/8/2022 in ABL APL number 9799 of 2022, passed by this court, the petitioner was granted anticipatory bail in GR case number 1108 of 2022. This court has granted bail by order dated 2/12/2019 in BL APL number 5439 of 2018, corresponding to SC case number 443/2 of 2019. This court has granted bail by order dated 2/12/2019 in BL APL number 5418 of 2018, corresponding to GR case number 963 of 2018. The Lorette Additional Sessions Judge Titlagad has granted bail by order dated 5/5/2023 in BL APL number 83 of 2018. This court has granted bail by order dated 3/3/2020 in BL APL number 6417 of 2019, pertaining to GR case number 8 of 2019. This court has granted bail by order dated 3/1/2020 in BL APL number 6002 of 2019, corresponding to GR case number 12 of 2019. This court has granted bail by order dated 27/2/2020 in BL APL number 5609 of 2019, passed by this court in GR number 580 of 2018. This court has granted bail by order dated 16/12/2019, BL APL number 5746 of 2019. Pertaining to GR case number 914 into bracket capital A of 2018. This court takes note of the fact that on so many occasions, count and give the details. This court has shown indulgence to the petitioner when he has approached for bail, and on several occasions also, the learned court below have granted the learned court in season of the matter have granted bail to the petitioner. On each occasion, the petitioner has misutilized the liberty to the extent that there have been repeated allegations against him as far as criminal activity is concerned. Despite that conditions imposed not to indulge in any kind of criminal activity. For the last 10 years, the petitioner has been implicated in as many as 21 cases, has been acquitted in about 3 cases, and other cases are pending trial. The learned standing counsel for the state, referring to the case diary, injury sustained by the victim, past allegations of criminal activity, opposes the prayer for bail. Consider the fact that despite the indulgence showed by this court earlier granting bail and anticipatory bail to the petitioner, the petitioner has again approached for bail after misutilizing the liberty granted earlier. This court has occasion to go through the case diary, the injury report regarding the injured victim, and is not inclined to grant bail to the petitioner at this stage. Accordingly, the petition is dismissed at this stage. Yes.
Item 9.
My lord, item 9, I pray for Passover, my lord.
12:30.
My lord.
Yes.
Item 10.
My lord, item 10 may be taken up after puja vacation.
Depositions, my lord.
My lord, may be taken
What
up.
is your name, sir?
Obban Ranjan Das.
Could not hear you. Kindly speak to the microphone.
My lord,
Please speak to the microphone. Yes, please.
the matter may be taken up after my puja.
What is your name, sir?
Obban Ranjan Das, my lord.
You have power here. A Das. Abani Ranjan Das for the petitioner. The learned counsel for the petitioner yet again seeks for adjournment, though it was granted earlier on 6/10/2023, 21/8/2023, and 30/7/2023. To grant further opportunity to the petitioner list on 1/11/2023. The learned standing counsel submits that. In the meanwhile, several prosecution witnesses have been examined. Para. The petitioner, ipso advised, may produce the depositions of the PWs. Sir, copies of the same on the learned counsel for the state. Yes.
Item 11.
Mr. Bhanjadev.
May I please, your lord? My lord,
Yes.
my lord, before my senior friend submit, my lord, on the last occasion, we have been directed to take instruction on the affidavits, my lord,
Yes.
filed by the petitioner's wife, my lord. My lord, regarding those, my lord, actually, on the last occasion, our submission that prior to, my lord, this land, my lord, which has been, my lord, purported to be, is actually taken money for giving flat, my lord. That flat has not been constructed. The land, my lord, which has purported to be, my lord, constructed, the flat is purported to be constructed, my lord. That land, my lord, has been given to someone else. That was the instruction on the last occasion. By the affidavit is genuine, my lord. The affidavit is genuine, but the contents they have not examined, my lord. My lord, let it come after vacation. I will take instruction if the contents of the.
What is the total amount of money is involved, Mr. Mahapatra?
My lord, just before going that to answer that query, what happened? He was developing a land and constructing flats and selling it to the various persons. Some of the persons were aggrieved because it was not delivered nor the construction was carried on within time. So they approached EOW for the same project, and the EOW arrested him. Ultimately, he was released on bail by this honorable court. I have filed that order. So the two cases, sub-item number 1 and 2, that relate to the same project.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes, please. Yes, please continue.
That belong to same project. My point here is that once the EOW has taken up the matter, these separate cases should not have been registered because it was covered the entire project. And in that order, your lordship may see, while granting bail, an affidavit was filed by the wife of the petitioner undertaking to complete the project within a stipulated period. And the court, while granting bail to me, observed that the project should be completed by the June 24. 2024. So, in view of this, if this man will remain behind the bar, then the order passed by the court bench to complete the project that cannot be carried out. And in alternative, the investors who are coming forward, putting forth their grievance, their grievance cannot be addressed. And what my lord friend wants to verify, I do not know. So this is the entire background of the case. My respectful submission would be, once the petitioner was granted bail in the EOW case.
But that is OPID.
Again.
So here it is not a OPID matter.
No, it's not.
OPID matter. So OPID other entire property involved ଅଛି ଯେ ପଇସା ନେଲେ ଘର କରିକି ଦେଇ ପାରିଲେନି ଟାଇମରେ ସେର ଆଉ ଦି ଜଣ ଇନଭେଷ୍ଟର ସେମାନେ ଦିଟା ସେପାରେଟ ଏଫଆଇଆର କରିଦେଲେ ତାକୁ ସେପାରେଟଲି ଟେକ୍ ଅପ୍ କଲେ.
Mr. Standing Counsel, you take specific instruction that it is the same project because you are having the copy of the earlier records also. So then basically your accusation is also contradictory.
That EOW case is not there with me.
No, I understand that. So what the learned senior counsel is submitting that there is a project. Yes. There are several houses.
Yes. Not constructed, my lord.
There are several houses offered. I have to say that it is constructed for you to say that. I didn't say. There are several houses offered to be purchased by buyers, home buyers.
Yes.
So some of the home buyers lodge a complaint.
Yes.
And that has resulted in this OPID case and whatever, and that has ended up in that bail order passed by this court, where certain observations are made not by the court for the direction, but the assurance given by the petitioner.
Yes.
There.
Yes.
Again, the same petitioner for the same project or the houses offered in the same project is arrested again.
That has been
perhaps as it appears, since you are not appearing for OPID, parallelly two proceedings are going on.
Those things for with utmost respect to my senior, but those things were there argued before the ballot. Since I don't have the copy of the ballot that
it's case, I'm not there that whether it was argued or not.
Yes, Malad.
The basic point is raising that the same project is entangled in multiple criminal litigation.
That can be.
So as far as the project is concerned, if the entire area, the entire houses is subjected to a particular OPID proceeding, then you discuss with that your who is instructing you, the IO.
Since it was before the
is it that the OPID is for the entire process? CIDCB is for 2 houses, and your local police is for another 2 houses.
Your lordship, then immediately after the reopening, will take the instruction. They have given the instruction
because
the contents of the affidavit is found to be true, my lord. They don't require any custodial, my lord.
No, the custodial.
Sorry,
though it is not exactly. In fact, it is exactly also stated in so many words. The custody of the petitioner has frustrated the earlier order. As far as
the
home buyers are concerned,
there is a time limit in that order.
One thing you can do, Mr. Mahapatra, to show the bona fide or to seek indulgence, you can also put that in affidavit if you are advised. this is not a suggestion from the court, that the project giving the details that it is to be completed by this time. 24 you have said, I have marked that. And in 23 again you are inside because of 2 of the houses, another case has been. And Mr. You also examine whether double jeopardy will
Exactly.
apply here.
That should have been more during
One
the
thing,
OPID case.
main thing that during the course of
Now, just imagine. It is not a this is not a flat. I think it's individual houses.
No.
flat.
Flat. So how many flats? I mean, how many built up areas?
Built up area.
Then Mr. Standing Counsel, if it is a flat, it is still worse. Because
one thing.
Because in the flat there are 100 persons.
My lord,
So he is not delivering to one and to other 99. So kindly listen, then you will appreciate.
One thing, my lord.
Kindly listen, then appreciate.
Yes.
Then you for the first owner you have booked him. Second you have booked him. Third owner booked him. Then what is the point in taking up the matter and imposing conditions?
In the course of the investigation, my lord, we inquire about the status of the land for the power of attorney holder, my lord. They said that they will not give the land to the present petitioner, my lord. That is the problem. If that will be so, my lord, lot of investors
if you are serious, there are several home buyers who had been assured to provided flats by 36/2017. Thereafter, which led to the proceeding under the OPID Act as per the complaints of the home buyers. The learned senior counsel refers to the paragraph 11 of the said order, which is quoted herein. It is submitted that the condition imposed in granting bail has also been frustrated due to the subsequent arrest of the petitioner in the present petition regarding the properties of the same project. Para. The learned standing counsel, referring to the affidavit filed on behalf of the petitioner through his wife, submits that the affidavit he needs further time to verify the contents of the affidavit. The learned standing counsel also seeks time to verify and seek response to the submissions of the learned senior counsel made at the bar today. List on 3110 or further time, Mr. Standing Counsel. 3110.
Just reopening.
666.
Yes.
Second week of reopening. 6/11/2023.
গোটাଏ ଦାନାକୁ ନଷ୍ଟ
Subject of the order dated order passed today, that is dated 18/10/2023, list on 6/11/2023.
Item 12.
Order passed today in BL appeal number so and so, list on.
Item 12, my lord.
Yes.
Item 12.
Yes, please.
Here the allegation is 420. So the subject matter is 11 lakhs, 13 lakhs, 13 lakhs 11,000. And this honorable court coordinate bench has taken steps to settle the matter, for which they have granted 6 weeks time to settle the matter as an interim release. Thereafter, he has surrendered, and another 2 dates on 4/10 and 13/10, your lordship has also directed to settle the matter. So both had been settled.
No, I have not directed anywhere.
Sorry, my lord. No, that's suggestion, my lord. The facts remain, my lord.
Suggestions even.
Even that is a possibility of settlement, for which I have taken adjournment, my lord.
Because
So
this court doesn't have any scope to know the details of any your
I'm sorry,
deliberations. Yes, please.
Lordship, now with charge sheet has been filed, and there is no further interrogation or absconding is there. So subject matter is 13 lakhs 11,000, my lord. My client is ready and willing to pay 6 lakhs cash in court and the rest of the amount cash security.
If your client is advised, so you file an affidavit on his behalf.
Today I will file that. Lordship, pass the order.
No, I will pass the order after I see the affidavit.
Then keep
There
it.
is a difficulty.
Let it be passed over for.
So let it come tomorrow.
Oh, please.
Mr. Siddhartha Das for the petitioner, Mr. Standing Counsel for the state, Mr. K.C. Behra for the informant. Learned Counsel for the petitioner seeks further accommodation to file affidavit on behalf of the petitioner as he has been advised. It is submitted that the affidavit is to be filed today and the matter may be taken up tomorrow. As prayed for, list on 19? Yes. Only.
13.
Sorry. K.C. Behra. You are Mr. Behra or Mr. Raut? Informant? Your colleague is Mr. Behra. Mr. Das? Your colleague is Behra. I mean.
Yes. Yes.
Your name, sir?
Informant.
He's for informant.
Your name can't be informant, sir.
No. Smruti Ranjan Raut.
Mr. Smruti Ranjan Raut. Yes. Now, I thought Smruti Ranjan Raut to be somebody else. So that. Yes.
Item 13.
Item 13 and 14 arising out of same affair can be taken up after vacation.
Mr. S.K. Patnaik for the petitioner. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to advance arguments. As prayed for, list on 311.
Well, second week.
You must mark when you are giving first week. 10/11/2023.
Publish.
To grant further opportunity to the petitioner. Learned Standing Counsel permits that case diary is available, including the statement of the eyewitness.
No, eyewitness circumstantial evidence.
Case diary has been received. Submits that case diary has been received. Reiterates his submission that case diary has been received. Opening sentence lekhan to the Learned Counsel for the petitioner yet again seeks for adjournment. Yes.
Publish.
Item 15.
14 same order. Mr. S.K. Patnaik yet again
Item
seeks for
15.
accommodation.
May I please your lordship, my lord?
Yes, please.
Here, my lord, the connected sub-item download copy is no way connected with this bail application. 7/1, my lord, 17 of 2022. It's, my lord, in respect of another case, my lord. And so far, in this case, my lord, I am praying, my lord.
Bamuni Gaon PS case number 49. This is PS case number.
This is, my lord, Fulbani Sadar 99 of 2022. And moreover, my lord, in this case, I am praying, my lord, is this matter, my lord, reopening day, as because I have to file a, my lord, affidavit with regard to, my lord, criminal antecedent of the.
Mr. Ponda, just kindly this is which one?
Item 15, my lord.
This is Bamuni Gaon PS case.
Yes, my lord.
No.
8 hala Fulbani Sadar.
Fulbani Sadar.
Fulbani Sadar number
99 of 2022.
Chikkun Digal.
Chikkun Digal.
The name is same or what?
No, sir.
Naresh Uthan Singh.
Wrongly সেটা পড়ে যাচ্ছে নাকি দরকার নেই.
No, what you are saying is correct. The FIR number is different. But what connects these cases? Why it has been detected? That is how I was trying to understand that.
No way connected. Two different cases.
Mr. Amuliratna Ponda for the petitioner. Mr. Informant Advocate.
No.
This is item
15. Informant ki nahi.
Okay. Mr. Amuliratna Ponda for the petitioner. Mr. Standing Counsel for the state. The office has put up the order dated 21/9/2022, passed in BLAPL number 7117 of 2022, pertaining to city case number 34 of 2022, arising out of PS case number 49 of 2022, at flag capital A. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the said case is not connected to the present case, as the present case arises out of Fulbani Sadar into bracket Kandhamal, PS case number 99 of 2022. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation, though it was granted earlier on 6/10/2023, 24/8/2023. As paid for, list on 13/11/2023.
30/10 reopening day था हजूर पर है जो कम बयस पिला
30 sir.
30
Sorry, 31/10/2023 to grant another opportunity to the petitioner. The learned standing counsel submits that case diary is available. Case diary is available. Yes, please.
16.
I beg pardon,
Yes,
my
Mr.
lordship.
Das.
I beg pardon, my lordship. As per direction of my lordship, that affidavit was not filed by the date fixed, my lordship, on the 16th. But the affidavit is prepared today, my lordship. If my lordship permit me, then I will file the affidavit, submit before my lordship affidavit.
It is file included.
6.
Yes.
8066.
My lordship.
I'm taking the correct file. Yeah, okay.
Yes, ma'am. My senior friend is appearing to VC Mallard. On the last occasion, we have also been directed.
Okay, that affidavit, Mr. Kotakia, that affidavit has been filed. He's filing it today.
Yes, Lordship. Let him file the affidavit. We will file a response, Lordship.
Mr. Rakesh Kumar Das for the petitioner. Mr. Janmejay Kotakia. KATA or KATI?
KATI.
Okay. Kotakia on behalf of. So I am reminded of Justice P.K. Misra. Why not Bhubaneswariya? Additional government advocate for the state. Learned counsel for the petitioner refers to the earlier order dated 13/10/2023 to submit that the affidavit has on behalf of the petitioner has not yet been filed, and it shall be filed today.
Yes, ma'am.
It shall be filed today. Copy of the affidavit be served on the learned counsel for the state to enable him to obtain instruction and file response if so advised. As prayed for, list on
13th October, the reopening the
31st, 31st.
1/11/2023.
Yes.
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 Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yes.
17.
May I please your lordship, my lord, 17, my lord.
Yes, please.
Here, my lord, last Friday, my lord granted bail in respect of the, my lord, other accused persons whom name, my lord, find place in the affair 307 custody, my lord.
No, here there are also connected petition.
हाँ, my lord, most sub item पे VC रे अच्छा थे, my lord.
My lord, I am for.
Okay. You are there in the second sub in the sub item 7493.
Lord, I am appearing on behalf of advocate.
Sorry, please repeat, Mr. Kashyap.
I am appearing on behalf of advocate Guru Prasad Dhara.
The first item.
First item, most sub item.
So let him argue since he is here. So he has started arguing. Let him argue the other matter.
Yes,
Yes, Mr. Panda.
Custody, my lord, 28/5/2023. Charge sheet submitted 307 and other allied offences. Last Friday, my lord granted bail in respect of, my lord, another accused whom name find place in the affair and, my lord,
Same PS case.
same PS case. That BLF.
How many antecedents he had?
My lord, those religion based.
Yes.
तार तीनटा थिला मोर भी तीनटा हम affidavit.
Gravity of offense?
Gravity of the offense, my lord, 307 and gunshot.
As far as who has been granted?
My lord, ta nar pa, my lord, achi gunshot injury attributed that Udit, my lord. BLA, my lord, 8302.
Just kindly forward that order to serve a copy on the learned counsel for the state also.
Upload हजूर ही शुक्रवार दिन होइचे अलाउड होइचे भारी गलानी सीधे
So can you get that file? Get the file. So I'm passing it over. We'll take it up at 12:30.
Okay, ma'am.
We'll be called again at 12:30.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Call the list. Item 18.
18.
18 Lordship, kindly pass over.
To be passed over.
Pass over, Lordship.
Case diary is there. 18.
No, my lord.
Standing counsel.
18, my lord, CD is not there.
Charge sheet already submitted.
There is already earlier order to get CD.
Yes, my lord, 610 it was there. my lord.
Yes. Yes.
Actually, my
Your
friend-
name, sir, you are Akash Bhuya. Or
Lordship.
Mr. Akash Bhuya for the petitioner. The learned counsel for the Mr. Standing Counsel for the state, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the charge sheet has been filed. The learned standing counsel seeks further accommodation to obtain the up-to-date case diary and instructions in the matter. Have you filed the affidavit?
Lordship, today I am filing.
The learned counsel for the petitioner files the affidavit indicating the past allegations, affidavit on behalf of the petitioner, indicating the past allegations of criminal activity, if any.
Mother has filed this affidavit.
The affidavit shall be taken on record. Copy has been served on the learned standing counsel to enable him to obtain instruction. The case brief as well as the scanned copy be updated. List on
Very short date, Lordship.
after reopening only, because it's not possible to take up the matter also. 111.
Charge sheet sorry, 307.
Yes. I have noted that. He's also conscious of that.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Please file the affidavit in registry so that it can be processed, scanned, and uploaded. Yes.
19.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, offense resolution 20B2C NDPS Act, my lord. Last occasion, my lord, honorable court directed to file a affidavit, my lord.
Yes.
Regarding criminal accident. Already filed, my lord.
The copy not served, ma'am.
You serve a copy.
My lord, my lord.
You should have. I mean, I don't understand why you are taking time.
And in this case, my lord.
Mr. P.K. Das for the petitioner. Mr. Standing counsel for the state. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that in terms of the earlier order dated 5/10/2023, he is filing affidavit regarding the past allegations of the criminal activity, if any, against the petitioner. The affidavit shall be taken on record. Scan copy as well as the case brief shall be updated. Copy of the affidavit is served on the learned standing counsel who shall up to enable him to obtain instruction. List on
Case diary also not there. I will take the case.
2/11/2023. In this case,
up to date case diary shall be obtained. Yes.
Main accused person already released on bail, my lord.
Could be, sir. Could be. But if that is by a coordinate bench or earlier?
No, my lord. Tolokotra, my lord, say already
Okay.
bail. You only, my
Let us
lord,
see, let us
confessional
see.
statement, he is implicated in this case. 2018 my lord case.
Yes, sir. Confessional statement of the co-accused.
Co-accused.
Not confessional.
Then-
Implicating this person.
Then
That is
he-
admissible.
Then he may take the chance in the court below by taking
No,
the parity.
Do you mean to say that this BL appeal was filed prior to filing of charge sheet?
Charge sheet pore, my lord.
After charge sheet, it was rejected. No, what is the date of charge sheet? Then you will understand. What is the date of charge sheet?
Investigation completed. Let the rejection order shows that is after
30/5/2020
the completion of investigation.
final pair is 30/5/2020
So the rejection order is after that, 15/7.
My lord.
So what you are submitting is not entirely correct. So the learned court had occasion to consider the charge sheet also. Yes.
That is under 167 they have got
Yes.
the bail.
Yes. Co-accused was released of 167 default. Then now his bail will also be could be cancelled also. Technically, he can be cancelled, sir.
After submission of clinical exams.
After submission. List on 211.
Publication.
Yes, please. Next.
Item 20.
Item 20, I beg apology, my lord. I undertake, my lord, on the reopening day, I filed the, my lord, surrender certificate. ଆପଣ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁନି ଅଜୟ ମୁଁ ଦିଟା ଟାଇମ ନେଇଛି ମୁଁ ଦେଇପାରିନି ମୁଁ 30 ତାରିଖ ଦିନ ଦେଇପାରିବି।
Mr. Amulya Ratna Panda for the petitioner, Mr. Standing Counsel for the state.
Undertake 30 तारीख में
Despite the earlier orders directing the petitioner to file the surrender certificate, the said certificate has not been filed. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks further accommodation to comply with the earlier orders as well as the order passed today to file the certificate indicating surrender of the petitioner. List on when do you want?
Reopening date 30 तारीख।
List on reopening date. The learned court in session of the matter. Reopening date
आज my lord convenient
111. 1/11/23. The learned special judge Ulbani in session of the matter shall furnish a report whether the petitioner has surrendered in the meantime or not after completion of the period of interim bail. Yes.
Item 21.
The petitioner is in custody since 4/7/2023.
Yes.
Alleged offense under section 3762N.
For informant, there is one learned counsel, Mr. Ranjan Pradhan. You are there?
Your Lordship.
Okay. Yes. The case diary 164 statement is there.
3 and 4 explosive substance act, my lord.
Condition of the victim.
It's a bomb injury.
Explosive substance act is there.
Yes, my lord. Actually, Sita Sangsang Asla to I have not gone.
Just pass over.
Pass over 12:30.
Please wait till 12:30. Yes, it will be called again. Yes.
23.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes, sir.
Last occasion, Lordship directed
Yes.
to directed to Chaudhar Circle Jail to send a report regarding the signature of the petitioner. The petitioner sent a prisoner petition.
Yes. Please carry on. Yes.
Now report is coming.
When the
For change of counsel, madam.
both have been filed by the report
Yes,
is
ma'am.
that
Yes, ma'am.
both are by him, but he changes his language. At times he signs in Oriya,
Yes,
at
yes,
times he
ma'am.
signs in English.
Yes, ma'am.
So this cannot be actually. I mean, he has to have one signature,
Yes, ma'am.
not in different script. Sometime in English, sometime in Oriya. Pursuant to the order dated 9/10/2023, report dated 16/10/2023 from the Senior Superintendent Circle Jail, Chaudhar, has been received addressed to the Registrar into bracket judicial of this court, wherein it has been clarified that both the signatures in the Wakalatnama, that is on 14/7/2023, and the subsequent Wakalatnama received, executed, not received, executed while in the jail custody are of the petitioner Sri M.S.Sahoo, aged about 41 years, son of late Krishna Chandra Sahoo of village Bhagipur, PS Banki, district Cuttack. However, on 14/7, he signed in Oriya, and on the other occasion, he has signed in English. Para. In view of the explanation, in view of the clarification of the explanation received from the Senior Superintendent Circle Jail, the Wakalatnama, that has been filed along with, you are filing today.
Yes, my lord.
So how could you receive that back? I could not understand.
My lord.
This is the third one.
No, this is second one, my lord.
Wakalatnama dated 5/10/2023, engaging Sri Jugal Kishore Panda, Learned Counsel, the Jugal Kishore Panda and Mr. Chandan Kumar Raut, Learned Counsel, to appear for the petitioner, Mr. Sri Sanatana Sahoo, is taken on record. The case brief as well as the scanned copy be updated by the registry. Yes, what do you want, sir?
Yes,
Had Sri Chandan Behra.
Chandan Kumar Raut.
I'm sorry, had Sri Chandan Kumar Raut.
Yes, ma'am.
The Chandan Kumar, you are arguing the matter now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Section 21B, my lord.
108 gram.
Seizure of 108 gram of brown sugar, my lord.
Accidents?
No, my lord. Affidavit
No
already
criminal
filed.
accidents. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that the contraband seized from the petitioner is less than the commercial quantity. Therefore, he is to be shown indulgence as far as prayer for bail is concerned. Second paragraph. Stop. It is further submitted that the petitioner has no other past allegations against him as far as criminal activity is concerned, comma, he shall abide by all such terms and conditions that would be imposed for grant of bail, and he being a local person having roots in the society shall always be subject to the jurisdiction of the learned court in session of the matter. Learned Standing Counsel, referring to the provisions contained in section 37 of the NDPS Act, vehemently opposes the prayer for bail. Para. However, it is not disputed that there is no other criminal antecedent as against the petitioner. The affidavit filed on behalf of the learned, petitioner through his wife states that the petitioner has no other allegations of any criminal activity, was served on the Learned Standing Counsel, who has obtained instruction from the investigating agency confirming the veracity of the statement made in the affidavit. Having heard the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, the Learned Standing Counsel for the state, considering the material on record, this court is inclined to grant bail to the petitioner, subject to the stringent terms and conditions that would be imposed by the learned court in session of the matter, which shall also contain a condition that, in case of violation of any of the terms and conditions imposed for grant of bail, the law enforcement agency shall file petition for cancellation of bail, disposed of accordingly.
Oh, please.
Yes.
Item 24.
Item 24, Your Lordship, on the last occasion, Your Lordship are directed to file affidavit in respect of criminal antecedents. My Lord, in fact, the mother of the present petitioners, she is being the only competent.
She has filed.
No, she had earlier filed, but subsequent to by correction by my learned senior, some more antecedents affidavit was to file.
The Mr. Kaustubh Mohanty for the petitioner, Mr. Standing Counsel for the state, Mr. Subhankar Raut for the informant. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to enable the mother of the petitioner to file a further affidavit in terms of the earlier order dated 29/8/2023, reiterated on 11/10/2023. As paid for. When do you want? List on?
First week of November.
List on 3/11/2023. Affidavit shall be served on the learned counsel for the learned standing counsel for the state to enable him to obtain instruction. Case diary has been received. The learned standing counsel submits that case diary has been received. Yes.
That's sub-item.
Sub-item?
Sub-item same, Your Lordship. Other two co-accused persons.
Here the affidavit has also been filed.
Not filed.
Mr. Kaustubh Mohanty for the petitioner. Mr. Standing Counsel for State, Mr. Subhankar Raut for the informant. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to file affidavit in terms of the earlier order passed by this court regarding past allegations of allegations against the petitioner, if any. As prayed for, list on 3/11/2023 to grant another opportunity to the petitioner. The learned standing counsel submits that he has received case diary. Yes.
Item 25.
May I please, my lord. Here the accused petitioner is alleged to have committed an offence punishable under section 366, 376(1) and 516 of the IPC, Your Honor, by 34.
Additional standing counsel for the state. Learned counsel state. Learned counsel for the petitioner being present in the virtual courtroom of the Orissa High Court, Koraput at Jaipur, addresses arguments. The learned additional standing counsel produces the case diary, several pages of which are faded. He shall obtain an up-to-date case diary with all readable pages. As prayed for. When do you want, Mr. Achari? After first week of after vacation or thereafter?
Yes, Your Honor, please.
As prayed for, list on 7/11/2023. Yes.
26.
It is add-on to which date, lots of I'm sorry.
7/11.
Oh, sorry.
That affidavit.
Yes.
So you file it in the registry so that it can. Yes. Mr. Vishnu Prasad Pradhan for the petitioner, Mr. S.S. Mahapatra, additional standing counsel for the state. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the affidavit in terms of the earlier order dated 9/10/2023 shall be filed today. Copy of the affidavit is served on the learned additional standing counsel to enable him to obtain instruction. The case brief as well as the scanned copy shall be updated. Case diary has been received.
Already there. Already happened.
Mr. The learned ASC submits that the case diary has been received.
Charge sheet I have to obtain. Up to it.
Seat has already been submitted.
The learned ASC shall obtain the up-to-date case diary.
Yes, ma'am.
List after first week of vacation or second week?
The first week of
As spread for list on 3/11/2023.
the file could be
27.
May I please, your lords?
Yes.
My lord, custody since 9/7/2023. Offense under section 394, 25, 27 arms side. Snatching of a mobile phone and an Activa motorcycle, which has been recovered. Only 2 antecedent. After this case, my lord, 2 cases he was taken on remand. I have given that affidavit as per my lord's guidance.
You have solved the copy of.
Yes, ma'am.
So you obtained instruction on that.
My lord.
Mr. Das, Soumyaranjan Das for the petitioner. Mr. S.S. Mahapatra, additional standing counsel for the state. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that in terms of the earlier order dated 9/10/2023, he has filed affidavit dated 16/10/2023, copy of which has been served on the learned ASC, who shall obtain instruction. As spread for list on first week
immediate.
First week 3/11/2023.
My
up-to-date case diary shall also be obtained. Up-to-date case diary oblique instruction be obtained. Yes, please.
28.
May I please, lordship? My lord, item number 28 kindly permitted to withdraw, my lord. Better application.
Your name, sir?
No, M.S.Sahoo.
Mr. M.S.Sahoo for the petitioner. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks to withdraw the present petition. On 5/10/2023, after hearing the learned counsel for the petitioner and the learned counsel for the state, the following order was passed. Thereafter, affidavit by the learned counsel for the affidavit on behalf of the petitioner through his wife has been filed, which is on record, stating that the petitioner has no other criminal antecedents. As per the case diary, how many criminal antecedents?
No criminal antecedents. No criminal antecedents.
As per the case diary, the petitioner has also no other criminal antecedents. Since a prayer is made on behalf of the learned counsel for the petitioner to withdraw the petition, the petition is dismissed as withdrawn. Yes. Yes, please.
Item 29, my lord.
29. Yes.
Here the alleged offences under section 20B2C of NDPS Act, my lord.
Yes, please. Yes.
As per the last direction of this honorable court, I filed the affidavit, my lord.
Yes.
He is having one antecedent, my lord. Now he is on bail on that case, my lord.
So he's misutilizing the bail. When did you serve the copy? Have you served the copy on the state?
My lord, on that day.
You obtained instruction?
Copy 11/10/2023.
Yes, my lord, he has given the copy.
So this is what has been seized. What is the contraband seized from the petitioner?
23 kg of ganja, my lord.
Last time?
Pardon, my lord? 8 kg.
Last time 8 kg. This time 23 kg. So when somebody is granted bail in 8 kg, he graduates to 23 kg. So next time it will be how much? 23 plus 15 is?
38.
38. So please consider that. Mr. You are Mr. R.K. Lenka.
No, my S.R. Ponda.
You have power here?
My lord.
Mr. S.R. Ponda for the petitioner, Mr. Standing Counsel for Mr. Additional Standing Counsel for the state. Learned additional, the petitioner refers to the earlier order dated 11/10/2023, to submit that he has filed affidavit on behalf of the petitioner through his wife, indicating the past allegations of the criminal activity against the petitioner. The additional standing counsel has received instruction.
No, my lord. With regard to he has given the affidavit. To that effect, I have not.
The Lawrence additional standing counsel seeks further accommodation to obtain response of the investigating agency to the affidavit dated 11/10/2023 on behalf of the petitioner. As prayed for. When do you want? After first week after vacation? Yes. List on 2/11/2023. Call the passed over matters. Yes.
This is 2/11.
2/11. Last.
Pass over item 1.
None appears for the petitioner, though the matter is called twice over. When the matter was taken up on 21/2011, it was directed that defect as per the staff report shall be removed within 2 weeks, failing which the matter is to be dismissed without further reference to the bench. The defects have been removed as per the office note dated 13/4/2011, reiterated on 13/10/2023. To grant another opportunity to the petitioner, list on further. This is give further time because you have already posted so many bail petitions. 9/11/2023. Yes.
Pass over item 2.
Petitioner none, opposite party none. None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. None appears for either of the parties when the matter is called. When the matter was last taken up on 13/10/2023, the following order was passed. None had appeared when the matter was last taken up on 13/10/2023. Apparently, the petitioner has lost interest in prosecuting the matter. It was specifically stated by the learned counsel for the opposite party that the matter has been compromised and nothing survives for adjudication. In view of the above, the matter stands disposed of. Yes. Yes, next.
Pass over item 9.
My lord, item number 9, we have filed our affidavit.
Your name, sir?
My name is, my lord, Asim Kumar Das.
Mr. A.K. Das. Mr. A.K. Das for the petitioner. Mr. That is it, flag A.
Flag A, my lord.
The copy of the affidavit is not along with me, my lord, because it was actually served on yesterday in my office.
He said that 1 lakh cash security.
Yes, my lord. That allegation of misappropriation is 50 lakh 975.
No, he says that he doesn't belong to a affluent family or anything like that.
Yes, my lord.
So property security, he is not.
Only cash security, my lord.
Yes, 1 lakh he has said. Mr. Anyone appearing for the informant or never had appeared?
No, my lord.
to informant, nobody has.
Charge sheet?
Charge sheet has been, preliminary charge sheet has been filed, and in the affidavit, we have annexed it as Annex 4, my lord.
That is affidavit dated?
My lord, affidavit.
The charge sheet is there, certified copy is there. Yes.
ma'am.
Mr. A.K. Das for the petition, Mr. Standing Counsel for the state. The learned counsel for the petitioner refers to the affidavit on behalf of the petitioner filed through his father or brother. Brother dated 17/10/2023, wherein at paragraph 6 the following has been stated. Paragraph 6 and 7 the following has been stated. 5, 6, 7. It is further submitted that the petitioner is in custody since 9/5/2023. The final prosecution report has been filed on 5/9/2023. Para. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is to be shown indulgence by the court by granting him bail. The learned standing counsel referring to the allegations against the petitioner, that is the amount of money alleged to have been defalcated or cheated, opposes the prayer for bail. Para. Having heard the learned counsel for the petitioner, the learned standing counsel, this court is inclined to grant bail to the petitioner subject to such stringent terms and conditions that would be imposed by the learned court in season of the matter. Apart from the condition that has been stated by the petitioner in the affidavit at paragraph 6. Para. Along with the condition, not apart from, along with the condition. There shall be a further condition that any deviation oblique violation of any of the terms and conditions that would be imposed for grant of bail shall result in filing of petition for cancellation of bail by the informant oblique victim oblique law enforcement agency, disposed of accordingly. Yes.
Okay.
Next, please.
Item 17.
May I plead your lordship, my lord? My lord, call for that record, my lord. BLA, PLA, my lord. Whether the
Yes.
person's religion
Could
similar.
you get that bail order record? Yes.
And
Kindly give the record also. This is item
17, my lord.
17.
And petitioner standing in the my lord better footing as because it
Just
is-
please wait.
Yes, yes.
Here allegations.
Your allegation, what?
Past allegation. Past criminal proclivity or
Three
allegations.
cases to that effect, my lord, I filed my lord comprehensive appeal that is on the record, my lord.
But your instruction is that
On record, my lord, affidavit. On 410, I filed, my lord.
this is 8071.
No, my lord.
I'm sorry.
This is
So you are on the second matter. 8071, Mr.
749.
So, Kashyap is there. Yes.
For 8071.
You have filed your affidavit, Mr. Kashyap.
I have no criminal antecedents, my lord.
Mr. Standing Counsel, you are having case diary.
Yes, my lord.
Have you gone through that?
Yes, my lord.
You first find out because it is in the now. I'm taking it on the reverse order.
Yes,
Ganesh Chandra Behera.
yes, my lord.
So how many antecedents?
3, my lord.
They have not reported.
Or you can go through the diary. I'll again as the last matter again I'll call it now.
Sorry to say, my lord, they have not given, my lord, answer.
ସେମାନେ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ମୁଁ
regarding antecedent not mentioned in the CD, my lord.
Same order. It is paragraph, I think paragraph 2 or 3 it is there. ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେଟା ନା ମୁଁ କହିଦେବି. Paragraph 2. This part in 7493. Yes, Mr. Kashyap, that condition will be there. Any deviation shall result in filing of cancellation by the informant oblique victim, apart from the investigating agency.
My lord, I am not aware about the conditions.
Now you'll be aware the condition imposed is that any deviation or violation of any of the conditions imposed for grant of bail shall lead to filing of a petition for cancellation of bail. And that petition may be filed by the informant, by the victim, or by the law enforcement agency.
However, these petitioners are not named, or the TI parade has not also been conducted, and
Whatever. You see, whenever this court
that part is no criminal.
What is the allegation?
Through bomb, my lord. In order to kill him and his family members through bomb and
injury.
My lord, as for the injury report, there is no external.
Okay. Mr. Bhavani Shankar Das for the petitioner, Mr. Standing Counsel for the state. The learned counsel for the petitioner refers to the earlier order dated 9/16/2023, 29/8/2023. To submit that affidavit in terms of the state order has been filed on behalf of the petitioner through his wife, stating that the petitioner doesn't have any other criminal antecedents. The learned counsel for the learned standing counsel kati diyantu lekhantu it is further submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that he shall abide by any terms and conditions that would be imposed for grant of bail. He being a local person having roots in the society shall submit to the jurisdiction of the shall always submit to the jurisdiction of the learned court in session of the matter. Para the learned standing counsel referring to the materials contained in the case diary opposes the prayer for bail. Case diary submitted by the investigating agency opposes the prayer for bail. However, it is not disputed that the petitioner is not having any other past allegations of criminal activity. Having heard the learned counsel for the petitioner, the learned standing counsel for the state, this court is inclined to grant bail to the petitioner subject to such stringent terms and conditions that would be imposed by the court in session of the matter, which shall also contain a condition that any violation or deviation from any of the terms and conditions shall result in filing of petition for cancellation of bail by the law enforcement agency victim informant, disposed of accordingly. Yes.
Item 30.
30.
Again.
May I please, my lord?
Yes, please.
Item 30, my lord.
This case, my lord, case date not received. Taken up after vacation.
Is there a petition for interim bail?
30. My lord, item 30, my lord.
30, my lord, the IA, my lord, that has not been solved on the statement.
No, my lord, yesterday I have served. My lord,
so if they can obtain instruction, I can't assure because you are not serving, you are filing affidavit.
No,
Mr. Biswajit Pasayat for the petitioner.
My lord.
You are Mr. Pasayat.
No, my lord.
I'm sorry.
R.K. Patnaik and Associates.
Mr. R.K. Your name, sir? Vikas Parija.
My lord.
Mr. B.C. Parija for the petitioner.
My lord, on the direct.
The IA 1372 of 2023 filed on 16/10/2023 is placed on record. Copy of the IA has been served on the Learned Counsel for the State on 17 yesterday.
No, my lord.
The copy of the IA has not been served on
My
the
lord, I may beg pardon, my lord. Day before yesterday, while I mentioned, your lordship directed to serve the copy on court today.
Yes.
On that day, while mentioning, day before yesterday.
So you find out.
No, to whom you served?
My senior counsel, Mr. Misra. I not recall the name of senior.
Manoranjan Misra.
My lord, my lord.
Yes, he was there. I remember. What he's saying is correct. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that he has served copy.
I may request, my lord.
You just
serve the copy.
You just give another copy, or you hand over your copy so that he can update
In
it.
course of the day, I will take instruction.
Yes.
Because
My lord,
it is a
my
very
lord, I am handing over my copy, man.
He has served copy on the Learned Counsel for the State appearing on 16/10. Again, the copy of the IA has been served on the Learned Additional Standing Counsel today, who shall try to obtain instruction. List on 19/10. Yes. You mention also. If there is an IA, you can mention. Yes. But it is anyhow it is coming up because since it is a
I'll
fresh
take
petition.
instruction in course of the day.
Yes. You obtain over phone.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
But in item number
Mr. Mahapatra, should I pass it over to taken up last item?
This matter?
Yes.
I'm trying.
So let us wait. The matter is passed over to be taken up later. ଆପଣ order sheet ଲେଖିବେ subsequent order ଟା ପରେ ଲେଖିବେ. Can you come again today?
My lord.
Yes.
As last item, my lord.
Yes. Say you can mention it also around 3:30 and you draw attention of the Learned Additional Standing Counsel.
Yes.
So that yes.
We're taking.
Yes.
May I please, my lord?
31.
Yes.
May I please, my lord?
Sorry, item 30, you were saying something?
Yes, I have to say something, sir.
Yes.
But we did not mention any interim, sir.
I could not get you, sir. Could not get your statement. Please repeat again.
This item was posted on 7th November of 2023, sir.
Yes.
So today there is mentioning that some IA has been filed.
No, today it has not been mentioned. It is in the list.
Sorry, sir, but
It was mentioned yesterday. That is the procedure of the court. That whenever an IA has been filed, it can be mentioned and it can be preponed by judicial order. So there is a submission that there has been an unfortunate death in the family of the petitioner. So IA was filed, and so that is how it was. It has been listed today. IA was filed on 16th actually. So what do you want actually? So these things I am not supposed to explain to you, but since you are present at Koraput and maybe you are not aware, so I am telling you. So what do are you sure you are appearing for the petitioner here because the Learned Counsel is present here?
Some other advocates' name also displaying in this board today. So I don't know about them.
No, then you have to. I mean, what has happened to the petitioner? He says that there is a consent from the earlier counsel who was appearing.
My lord. Okay, then I know.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Item 31, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, direction was given to me for filing an affidavit.
Yes.
Ma'am, my prayer, my lord, before your lordship, it may be adjourned, my lord.
Mr. R.C.H. Ramachandra Maharana for the petitioner, Mr. R.C. Maharana.
Ramesh Chandra.
Mr. Ramesh Chandra Maharana for the petitioner. Mr. Standing Counsel, Mr. Additional Standing Counsel for the State. S.S. Mahapatra. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain up-to-date instructions and file affidavit of the petitioner if so advised. As prayed for, list. When do you want, sir?
7.
Second week, 7/11/2023.
Deep blue blood.
Yes. Next.
32.
Item 32, lordship, I pray for after vacation.
Mr. A. Sota for the petitioner. Mr. S.S. Mahapatra, Additional Standing Counsel for the State. Learned Counsel for the, you have filed the affidavit.
Lordship.
The copy has been served. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has filed affidavit in terms of the earlier order dated 9/10/2023 regarding allegations against the petitioner pertaining to criminal activity, if any. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to advance arguments as prayed for list list on
After vacation.
10/11.
Lordship.
10/11/2023. The learned ASC shall obtain up-to-date instructions in response to the affidavit.
Affidavit, he says no.
So you obtain instruction
Yes, ma'am.
in response to the affidavit filed by the petitioner regarding criminal antecedents. Yes. Next.
Item 33.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, with Lordship's permission, I mean virtual mode, Lordship.
Yes. Yes, please.
Lordship, in this case, petitioner is custody since 24th July 2023 for an allegation of offense under section 21B of NDPS Act, Lordship.
So what are the past allegations? Have you filed affidavit?
No, he has not filed it.
Affidavit not filed, Lordship. Only one criminal antecedent in respect to the present petitioner, Lordship.
So you filed that affidavit?
Okay, my lord, my lord. Okay.
Mr. Sapan Kumar Lenka.
My lord, my lord.
You are on record? Yes, Mr. Sapan Kumar Lenka. This is item?
33. 33 item.
Mr. S.S. Mahapatra, Additional Standing Counsel for the State. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that as per your instruction, is there any criminal antecedents or they have not written?
No, my lord.
One antecedent.
No interest.
But the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is advised to file an affidavit regarding the past allegations of criminal antecedents, if any,
My lord.
while seeking indulgence from this court to be granted bail. The affidavit be filed by
Lordship,
31/10 after vacation.
My lord, my lord.
31/10/2023.
My lord.
Copy of the affidavit be served on the learned counsel for the state to obtain instruction. List on 8/11.
Oblige.
The learned standing counsel submits that the learned additional standing counsel submits that case diary is available. Yes, next.
34.
My lord, 307.
Lordship, that file is missing from our office. We cannot trace it. Lordship, kindly be taken up.
Today, last item or tomorrow?
Tomorrow, Lordship.
My lord had directed me to file an affidavit.
Have you filed affidavit?
Am I to file an affidavit?
You have not filed?
No, my lord.
Mr. S.R. Das for the petitioner, Mr. S.S. Mahapatra, ASC for the state. Learned counsel for the petitioners refers to the earlier order dated 9/10/2023 and seeks accommodation to file the affidavit regarding the past allegations of criminal activity, if any, against the petitioner. As prayed for, list
Second week of November.
as prayed for, affidavit be filed by 1/11/2023. Copy be served on the learned counsel for the state to enable him to obtain instruction. List on 7/11/2023. The second matter, sub-item, Mr. Das.
My learned friend is happy.
Mr. Tara Prasad Mahapatra. You, sir?
Mr.
Mr. Biswaranjan Dalai for the petitioner. The learned counsel for the Mr. S.S. Mahapatra, Additional Standing Counsel. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that affidavit on behalf of the petitioner has been filed through his wife, dated 8/10/2023, copy of which has been served. 8732. This is a connected matter.
I have already served.
Copy of which can you serve another copy?
Yes.
He shall serve another copy to the learned counsel for the state to enable him to obtain instruction. As prayed for, list on 7/11. 35.
On behalf of Mr. Tara Prasad Mahapatra, kindly adjourn this.
Your name, sir? You are Mr.
Brundan Rao.
Mr. Brundavan Raut on behalf of Tara Prasad Mahapatra for the petitioner. Learned counsel for the petitioner. Submits shall file an affidavit indicating the past allegations of criminal activity, if any, against past allegations of criminal activity, if any. Stop. Affidavit shall be filed by 1/11/2023. Copy be served on the learned standing counsel for the state. List on 9/11.
In this case, my lord, we have received the case diary, but I today took instruction that charge sheet has already been filed. So I will take get
the learned standing the learned ASC on instruction submits that
charge sheet has already.
Charge sheet has final prosecution report has already been filed. In the meantime, he shall also obtain up-to-date instructions. Yes.
Item 36.
May I please?
Yes, please.
Last occasion, my lord, filed a affidavit regarding the criminal antecedent. One criminal antecedent pending the.
When did you file the affidavit, sir?
Sir.
1710.
Mal. Criminal appeal number 477/2010. One criminal antecedent under section 498 4 defect.
No, my lord, that is contrary to the affidavit. We have not received the affidavit, but he is having two criminal antecedents.
You are appearing in this BLAPL 11308.
Yes.
My lord.
Mr.
Nityananda Panda.
Mr. N. Ponda, Nityananda Ponda for the petitioner, Mr. Additional Standing Counsel S.S. Mahapatra for the state. Have you served the copy of the affidavit?
No.
Already, sir.
No. That is not
already served, my lord. Already filed.
Whenever you are filing, please file the receipt in the registry. Sir, this is not to be shown in the court, sir. You have to file it in the registry so that it can be on record.
This is the court receipt when he is filing.
My lord, today, my lord.
Madam, when it was filed? When the copy was served?
Copy was for today.
The counsel for the petitioner submits that the copy of the affidavit filed on behalf of the petitioner.
Here.
A copy of the item already.
Pursuant to the order dated 16/10/2023 has been served today.
Yes, sir.
On the learned counsel for the state, who shall obtain instruction in the matter.
Already, my lord, last occasion we were directed the affidavit regarding the criminal.
I hope, sir, you are listening to the order.
No, this is also contrary. If he says he files the affidavit having one criminal antecedent, but our record shows, my lord, he is having two criminal antecedents.
He could not mark your submission actually, perhaps. You said that I have heard it, but he did not mark that.
No, our record.
The learned counsel for the state shall obtain up-to-date instruction in response to the affidavit.
Already, my lord, they already.
Mr. Ponda, either you are right or he is right. That is how this you have to file that affidavit. And at best, you are filing the affidavit based on instruction, whatever the relative of the petitioner is filing. And he has to go by the investigating agency report.
Sir, I have already one criminal antecedent pending against the.
More than one, sir. That he is saying, sir. He has said twice.
No, my lord, one.
You have said 3 times that you are having one. He had said twice that you are having more than one. It is at variance with his instruction. You should have filed that since you are served it on 1610.
Just a minute. Already 2 accused person released on bail in this case.
So only thing I can do that I will disallow the petition for bail. I will not keep it for further consideration. By recording your submission.
Lordship, may I submit something, my lord?
Let it come after vacation.
The another criminal antecedent, my lord, what our record shows. Let my learned friend take this and to file a further affidavit on this criminal antecedent.
See, he has to listen actually. He's making something very submission one-dimensional.
My lord.
List on 2/11/2023. Yes. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall also obtain up-to-date instruction. Today we are there in the morning. In one case, the petitioner took time to file an up-to-date affidavit because he realized that the mother has filed affidavit which is at variance with the instruction of the state.
Wife.
In that case, mother has filed, sir. In every case, wife doesn't come up to file the affidavit, sir. In your case, the wife comes to file affidavit.
My lord,
In some case, the mother files an affidavit that there is only one incident.
Father already died.
Sir, I am not saying that your senior standing counsel for the vigilance for the petitioner. आइए लिखिए, this miscase 40 of 2014. The miscase has been filed for continuation of the delay of 10 days.
I believe it's 60 days ago. The registry has indicated
10 days. 10 days. Issue notice to the opposite party by registered post with AD. Requisites for issuance of notice be filed by 2/11/2023. List after SR.
38.
The cost not deposited.
There is no depositing cost, Lordship. Kindly allow me.
Mr. S.S. Mahapatra, standing counsel for the petitioner. Mr. M.S.Sahoo. M.S.Sahoo for the opposite party. Here notice has been issued.
Yes,
or you are appearing on instruction.
My lord, limitation notice was issued to the petition.
Yes, my notice was issued by.
But he has not paid the cost.
My lord.
7th January.
So you wait. But your wakalatnama is on record. You are not looking at the brief, perhaps. So till they comply with why you are appearing. So M.S.Sahoo for the petitioner. The learned counsel for the learned additional standing counsel for the state 6. How much time, Mr. Mahapatra?
Lordship, 31st.
Time for the time to pay the cost of rupees 1,000 to be deposited in the Odisha High Court Bar Association Welfare Fund. Prayer is allowed. Let the cost be deposited by 31/10/2023.
Well.
This is miscase 39 of 2009. Yes. Next. List after the list on 6/11/2023.
6.
Yes.
Well.
Deposit by 31/10.
31/10. Well.
Yes.
39.
Mr. S.S. Mahapatra, additional standing counsel for the state petitioner.
Requisitive.
The office note put up by the registry dated (11/9/2018), reiterated on 17/10/2023, indicates that postal requisites for issuance of admission notice on sole opposite party with present correct address not filed. The learned counsel for the state submits that he may be accommodated to obtain the present correct address through the IO as prayed for. Prayer is allowed. Let the present correct address be obtained and requisites be filed by 10/11/2023.
Lordship, some more time because
I am granting
10. Lordship.
I mean the second week of reopening.
Yes. Not for that only. I have to collect the correct.
I understand. Okay, make it 17/11. Yes.
40.
40 take steps, fresh steps. Where is the IA? Acha, miscase 23 of 2015. Office note put up by the registry dated (1/2/2016). indicates that the notice is issued on in the limitation matter to OPs 1, 3 and 4 returned unserved. The learned additional standing counsels praise for filing of praise for taking notice afresh to the said opposite parties. Prayer is allowed. Let notice be issued afresh to the opposite parties 1, 3 and 4 by registered post with AD in the present correct address. Requisites be filed by 16/11/2023. Unutilized requisites, comma, if any, shall be utilized. Yes.
41.
No instruction manner.
List after SR करते हो, list after service return. But I have been advised by the bar that in criminal revision, no instruction is not a possible prayer to be granted by the court.
Whole time be granted.
So you take instruction, I am just granting. I understand because they are not turning up, they are not responding to the lawyer. The lawyer is in a piquant situation.
Time.
Mr. Siddharth Swami for the petitioner, Mr. Standing counsel for the opposite party, additional standing counsel for the opposite party, the learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain up-to-date instructions as prayed for. List on 28/11. About revision 5/12. 5/12. Yes, please. Next.
42.
42, ma'am.
Mr. J. Samantarai for the petitioner. Mr. Opposite party blank. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks praise for further time to file the postal requisites for issuance of notice as prayed for. The requisites for issuance of notice by registered post with AD to the opposite party be filed by 6/11/2023. List after SR. Yes.
43.
Notice after don't give a date. There is no point in listing if the SR is not made. So wherever a date is given, you indicate list after SR, service return. Yes. Next, please. Yes.
43.
Petitioner none. Mr. S.S. Mahapatra, additional standing counsel for the state, to grant another opportunity to the petitioner. List on 28/11. Yes.
44.
Yes.
44 on behalf of Madam Jena may kindly be taken up after vacation.
Your name, madam?
Sonali Ponda.
Miss Sonali Ponda on behalf of Miss Sujata Jena for the petitioner. Mr. S.S. Mahapatra, additional standing counsel for the state. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain up-to-date instructions as prayed for. List on 29/11. 45.
45.
Petitioner none. Opposite party blank. None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called to grant another opportunity. List on
mention
45 was mentioned. Okay. Petitioner Mr. S.R. Mahapatra for the petitioner. Opposite party none. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to remove the defects as pointed by the stamp reporter. List on 28/11 as prayed for. Yes.
46.
46, my lord. There is
So sorry.
delay of-
He's Mr. So Mahapatra has passed away, unfortunately.
My lord, this is railway matter. Railway matter. I'm appearing for the railway.
For petitioner or the opposite party?
Petitioner.
45.
46.
No, I'm sorry.
45 is my lord,
because 45 was mentioned in the morning, so I was dictating that order. So you might have missed that. But S.R. Mahapatra is no more actually. So yes. So B.R. Mahanti. Yes. Then 46, your matter. Mr.
My lord, there is delay of 1 month and 27 days.
Just a second. Mr. Parthasarathi Naik, Senior Panel Counsel for the petitioner or for the railways.
Railway.
So railways is standing counsel.
No, no, actually, our central government panel
Okay.
railway merge.
Okay. Senior Panel Counsel for the petitioner, Mr. O.P. Blank. Then IA 64 of 2019.
My lord, may I submit, my lord?
Yes, please.
I have gone through the judgment. In fact, it is not a fit case for appeal, for leave appeal.
But since I appreciate that, so whether you should take notice now or I'll put it after vacation.
My lord,
Because if limitation is not considered, then I can't go into the merit, and it is statutory.
it is, my lord, it is futile exercise on the ground of limitation. Also, your lordship, perusing the
Mr. Parthasarathi Naik for the petitioner, IA 64 of 2019, along with the CRLLP of 84 of 2019.
paragraph 8, running page 76.
The learned counsel for the petitioner was requested to address the matter on merit, though the matter has been posted for continuation of delay of filing the leave petition. For continuation of delay of 180 days. Had the learned counsel for the petitioner at length, had the learned counsel for the petitioner peruse the judgment passed by the learned SDJM Raigada in 2 into bracket C, bracket closed, CC number 1/2006. You can see it from the page 13 and write it. On perusal of the judgment passed by the learned court below,
This is the case of the year.
the learned court has dealt with the evidence adduced by the prosecution at paragraph 6.
8 today, analysis. After careful scrutiny,
The PW6, being an independent witness, has denied the factum of seizure, though he admitted his signature on the seizure list with exhibit 1/3.
PW8,
Therefore, the
PW8,
bearing fact of the case is that the seizure witness has not supported the factum of seizure of railway property from the possession of the accused persons.
and PW5, the expert.
The consistent plea before the learned counsel, before the learned court below, was that the property seized was also not railway property. The official witnesses PW1 and 2 supported the prosecution case. But the independent witness PW6 has stated that he has put his signature that was proved was taken on a blank paper. In cross-examination, the PW6 has stated that the signature produced by the prosecution in the paper is also not his signature. In view of such evidence on record, this court finds.
My lord,
Sorry.
another PW5. He's a official witness expert. He also
The official witness did not support.
no, se support kala, but admit kala je sete railway property mark nathila.
Okay. The PW5, who is the official witness, was produced by the prosecution as expert. And his certificate with the exhibit 11 was produced. In his cross-examination has stated that there was no mark, that there was no I.R Indian Railway into bracket I.R mark on the examined railway panel. Therefore, his statement doesn't support the case of the prosecution. Then, having heard the learned counsel for the petitioner, considering the evidence on record, the reasons adduced, the reasons given by the learned court below in giving a finding of the accused are not guilty of the offences punishable. देखिए लिखिए at paragraph 9 under section so and so Railway Act page internal page 8 paragraph 9 acquitting the opposite parties from the accusations under section 248 into bracket 1 of CRPC is confirmed. The petition along with the IA stand dismissed. This court puts on record the appreciation, its appreciation of the quick assistance rendered by the learned senior standing counsel appearing for the railways.
Oh, please.
Senior panel counsel. Yes. The prompt assistance, prompt and able assistance. Yes.
47.
Rest of the matters after recess, any mention? So you inform Mr. Kaustubh Mahanti. Mr. Kaustubh Mahanti was throughout the day here. Where is he?
I will inform.
Satyajit Mahapatra, Kaustubh Mahanti, anyone? So you, it has been, since he has expired on instruction, he has expired.
My lord. It will be abated.
You are mentioning 60?
67, your lordship.
67, Mr. D.P. Dhala is appearing? Mr. H.N. Mahapatra, yes, you are there. I'm sorry. No, order has not been passed. No. I don't pass orders. That is the reason I don't pass orders. So it is disposed of.
Okay.
Yes. Call the list.
Pass over item 30.
On your behalf, Mr. Mahapatra, Mr. Kaustubh Mahanti mentioned actually. I thought that you are the opposite party or he is the opposite party. But I think Mr. Das, Ishwar Chandra Das is the opposite party. You are the petition. Okay. Okay. Yes. Sorry.
Pass over item 30.
30, my lord, I have received the instruction. Died, my lord. The father of the petitioner died.
Okay. Mr. B.C. Parija for the petitioner. Sorry. So B.C. Parija for the petitioner, Mr. S.S. Mahapatra, Additional Standing Counsel for the state. IA 1372 of 2023. The IA has been filed by the petitioner seeking leave of the court to be granted interim bail due to unfortunate demise of his father. The copy of the IA was served on the learned counsel for the state, who has obtained instructions from the officer in charge, Machokund PS, District Koraput, by letter number 1581, dated 17/10/2023. Copy of the letter produced by the learned ASC is taken on record. As inquired by the learned OIC, the father of the petitioner has passed away on 11/10/2023. Having heard the learned counsel for the petitioner, the learned standing counsel, additional standing counsel, this court is inclined. The court is inclined to grant interim bail to the petitioner for a period of 4 weeks from the date of release from the custody, on such terms and conditions that would be imposed by the learned court in session of the matter, with the further condition that he shall surrender on the completion of period of 4 weeks before the learned court in session of the matter. The order indicating such surrender, surrender certificate, shall be produced before this court. List on today is 18th. 18, 25th is first week, then first. List on 20th November 2023. Urgent certified copy during course of the day. Yes. Yes. Number poke ki record rakhi. Yes. Next, please. Yes.
Item 47.
Petitioner none. OP blank. The CRLMA, the petition has been filed by the petitioner with a prayer for cancellation of bail granted by order dated 8/5/2020 passed in BL APL number 2219 of 2020, In connection with Sundargarh Town PS case number 220 of 2016, corresponding to GR case number 1097 of 2016. In considered opinion of this court, nothing would survive at present in view of the prayer made in the petition. No one is appearing for the petitioner to apprise the court regarding the present status of the proceeding. Accordingly, the petition is disposed of. Mr. Standing Counsel, Additional Standing Counsel for the state. He has not made party, but he should have made the state a party. In cancellation application, it has to be there. 493 to it has to be state has to be made party. The Additional Standing Counsel SS Mahapatra for state appearance. Yes, next.
Item 48.
Mr. Sanjeev Swain for the petitioner. IA 16 of 2023. The IA has been filed for condonation of delay in filing the petition. Condonation of delay of 573 days. Issue notice. Let requisites be filed for issuance of notice to the sole opposite party by 31/10/2023, list after SR. Notice to opposite party by registered post with AD. Yes.
49.
Yes.
49, my lord. This bail application earlier disposed of by Honorable Justice G. Satpathy.
Then it has to go before that.
Yes, ma'am.
Correction, but this is the bench is available, so how can I take up the matter? Considering the fact that considering that the order dated 7/7/2023,
certified with
the order dated 5/9/2023.
No. One of the co-accused bail has been disposed of by Honorable Justice. First disposed of by Honorable Justice.
No, this correction of order.
Yes.
Of which order? Dated? Correction of order dated?
No, not correction of order, my lord. In the meantime.
No, you can you please refer to the cause list?
Yes, my lord.
So look at the cause list, then start submitting.
Here, one of the bail BLAPL number 1096 of 2023. That is.
Could you read that cause list? Please read it aloud.
Correction of order dated. I think it has been mistyped.
That is of your lordship.
2 SCC. That instead of 2 SCC, 2 SCC. Instead of lower court match case ascertained from KIOSK at flag A may kindly be seen. Copy of order passed in BLAPL number.
So where is that order dated 10/10/2023?
Protected that that, my lord.
So please be conscious when you are submitting that you are so confident.
So it's disposed of.
Physical competence. So where is the connected record BLAPL 1096 টা দিয়ন্তু? देखिए टाइप करना है दिया. That's the problem now. The matter has been placed by the registry for correction of typographical error. In the fifth line of the order dated 10/10/2023, instead of typing 2 into bracket capital A bracket closed CC oblique 91 oblique 2022, you can see the list, then you can type. I am repeatedly telling, but he's not doing it. His fabric, I mean, no, I don't know from where he is getting these details. The concerned secretary has typed a different number. Accordingly, the said line, the said fifth line in order dated 10/10/2023 shall be corrected by giving the correct number. The correction be carried out in the order sheet. This fifth line, the correct number, this has to be mentioned. Yes, what do you say? This is adjourned to 1710. Then what happened?
No, earlier it was that connected BL appeal number 1096 was disposed of by Honorable Justice G. Satpathy. So
why it has not been mentioned?
It was disposed of on 16th, my lord. So
the lower court match case search criteria now furnished by the registry at flag A indicates that the connected matter BLAPL 1096 of 2023 was disposed of by order dated 9/5/2023 by a coordinate bench. Earlier, the said fact has not been mentioned as far as the present case is concerned. The registry shall put up explanation through the Register Judicial the reasons of such a discrepancy, and steps be taken that such discrepancy doesn't occur. For the fact that the another BLAPL 1096 of 2023 has been disposed of by a coordinate bench on 5/9/2023, the date is not 9/5, it is 5/9. The registry shall 23, 5/9/2023, the registry shall comma in terms of that memorandum 2 of 2023, yes, 21st May 2023. The registry shall place the matter before the appropriate bench after obtaining the kind orders of the Honorable the Chief Justice. Yes.
Item 50.
Item 50.
Yes, please.
Item 50, your lordships, on behalf of Mr. Nanda, your lordships, I pray this matter may be taken up after vacation, your lordships.
50, your name?
S Das. Soumi Das.
Ms. Soumi Das on behalf of Anita Nanda for the petitioner.
One more request, your lordships.
Yes, please.
Your lordships, this item 50 and your lordships item 87, your lordship, both I pray adjournment.
Kindly wait for 87.
Yes, your lordships. I'll wait.
The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation. It is pointed by the office note that AD from opposite parties 10 and 11 has not been received. The learned counsel shall take steps for issuance of notice afresh to the opposite parties 10 and 11 by registered post with AD. Requisites be filed by 3/11/2023. The LCR sent back to SDJM, Sonpur, be called for, if not available, already scanned. Yes, you take steps for issuance of notice afresh to 10 and 11. Are you getting? Could you follow what I'm saying?
Yes, your lordship.
And when appearing in this VC, please mention your name.
Sir, I'm sorry, your lordship.
Not at all, not that.
51.
Petitioner, none. OP, none. None appears for the parties when the matter is called to grant another opportunity. List on 28/11/2023. Yes, next.
52.
To my lord, on behalf of Mr. Lakshmindra Das, kindly taken up somehow.
Mr. RK, you are Mr. RK Das?
No. On behalf of Mr.
Your name, sir?
Pradeep Kumar Das.
Sir, Pradeep Kumar Das on behalf of Lakshmindra Das for the petitioner. Opposite party leave blank. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation. As prayed for, list on 29/11/2023.
53.
Anyone present in any matter? Because I don't see anyone. So let Isra for the petitioner. Opposite party blank. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain up-to-date instructions in the matter and advance arguments. As paid for, list on 4/12/2023. Then item 61. Call item 61.
61.
Mention. Have you noted the mention? Yes, 61. Ms. Sartika Das on behalf of DP Patnaik for the petitioner. Same order as in 53. List on 5/12/2023.
67.
Mr. H.N. Mahapatra for the petitioner. Opposite party blank. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits an instruction that the petitioner has unfortunately passed away in the meantime. Para, according to the matter is disposed of. Yes, next.
72.
Mr. Kaustubh Mahanti for the petitioner. Mr. Additional Standing Counsel for the state. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to advance and to advance arguments. Six accommodation to obtain up-to-date instruction and to advance arguments. Same order. As paid for, list on 6/12/2023.
75.
75. Mr. Prabodh Behera for the petitioner. on behalf of Prabodh Behra, on behalf of Bhitesh Ranjan Behra. Mr. Additional Standing Counsel for the State, OP. Same order. Date of is 6/12/2020. Yes.
Pardon, my lord. Item 66, my lord.
Yes, 66, yes.
Yes, my lord. I am OP, my lord.
No, since the petitioner is not present, you need not worry.
Yes, ma'am.
If it is called, then let us see, because yes, next.
Item 58, ma'am.
Just a second. So, because since no one is present, so I am taking up the mentioned matter. So please wait.
83.
I'll be calling again. 83, Miss Sartika Das on behalf of DP Patnaik for the petitioner. Mr. 83, you are there, Mr. Mahapatra?
Well,
Item 83, you are there.
83, yes, ma'am.
Mr. S.S. Mahapatra, Additional Standing Counsel for the State Opposite Party. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain up-to-date instructions and advance arguments as paid for list on 6/12/2023. HS Misra. Same order. Yes. Now call page wise. Starting with page 8.
Page 8, item 54 to 60.
Yes. 61 rather.
And 58, my lord.
58, yes.
58 for opposite party.
58 petitioner none, Mr. M.S.Sahoo for opposite party. None appears for the petition. Since it is being mentioned, so there is no point. I cannot write that no one is appearing. The list is exhausted. Since no one is present, so I have to call the pages. List on 58. List on what date code? 4/12. Yes.
Beg pardon, my lord.
Yes.
Your lordship directed me to mention at 3:30. Item 30,
Yes.
my lord.
So that was mentioned by the learned counsel for the state at 2, and order has been passed.
My lord.
Yes.
For how
So
much?
you 4 weeks.
4 weeks.
My lord, one thing I pray.
Yes.
In course of the day, it can
That
be
has been directed.
That has also been directed. Yes.
May I please, your lordship?
Page 9, you are there. Any matter in page 9?
Item number, I am inquiring for item number 56, your lordship.
56, you are there for the petitioner.
Yes, your lordship. On behalf of Suraj Mahanti.
Your name, sir?
Binayak Pati.
Mr. Binayak Pati on behalf of the petitioner, 56. Yes, what do you want, sir?
I am praying for adjournment after
The only counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain instructions and advance arguments as prayed for 56. List on 5/12.
And also for item number 60, your lordship.
60 same order. Yes. Same appearance.
Much obliged.
Mr. Patti and on behalf of Mr. Mahanti.
Yes, your lordship.
Yes, please. Then page 9, please call. Item 62 to 76.
Much obliged.
Page 10, items 77 to 95.
Pardon, 95, item 95.
Yes.
Taken over after vacation.
Your name, sir?
BP Chwal Singh.
95, Mr. BP Chwal Singh for the petitioner. Mr. S.S. Mahapatra, Additional Standing Counsel for the State. Same order. Date kebe 95? 6/12.
My lord, item 66, my lord.
I'm sorry.
Item 66. Page 8.
6 petitioner none, Mr. P.K. Padhi.
On behalf of my lord, I am appearing on behalf of P.K. Padhi.
Mr. B.K. Padhi. Mr. B.K. Padhi on behalf of P.K. Padhi for the opposite party. As prayed for list on 66. 5/12. Mr. Padhi.
Yes, all right.
Item 87, your lordship.
Item 87, yes, Ms. Soumi Das.
Sir.
Item 87, Soumi Das on behalf of S.K. Nanda for the petitioner. Same order. Date
Jari bar.
4/12/2023.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Page 11, 96 to 101.
Anyone, you are there?
Pardon, my lord, item 88.
Yes, 88.
Prefer after vacation.
Your name, sir?
Ashok Kumar Behera.
Mr. Ashok Kumar Behera, 88, on behalf of Mr. Amitabh Tripathi. Same prayer for adjournment. 88 date? 7/12.
Problem.
Mr. Mahapatra, 89.
89.
Yes. Mr. Mahendra Kumar Mahapatra for the petitioner. Mr. 88, Mr. S.S. Mahapatra,
Yes,
Additional Standing Counsel. 89, Mr. Mahendra Kumar Mahapatra for the petitioner. Mr. S.S. Mahapatra, Additional Standing Counsel. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to advance arguments, to obtain instruction and advance arguments. Same order. Date korantu? 7/12. Yes.
93. On behalf of
Same
Mr.
page.
Das.
Yes. 93.
On behalf of Mr. Das.
Sir. Your name, sir, Mr.
J.N. Panda.
Gyanendra.
Gyanananda Panda.
Mr. Gyanananda Panda. J.N. Panda on behalf of Mr. Arun Kumar Das. 93 for the petitioner. Same prayer for accommodation. List on 8/12.
Next item, I pray for him.
94. 94, Mr. Gyanananda Panda. Same prayer for accommodation. Date 8/12. Anyone present in page 11?